here showing you the Make One Purl Right, and it's this first example right here where we grab the running thread from the back to the front and then purl through the front loop. And then we have a Make One Purl Left where we grab the running thread from the front to the back and purl through the back loop. This is my personal favorite. And the third example is Make One Purl, and it's a decorative, often used in decorative stitches because it leaves a hole or a yarn over effect. And you grab the running thread from the front to the back and then purl through the front loop. I'm going to be showing you how to make one purl right. So I grab with my right hand needle, but I'm putting my running thread on my left hand needle from the back to the front, and then I purl through that front loop. Let me do that one more time. I'm going to purl one more stitch and then I'll do another Make One Purl Right. So we grab the running thread and we place it on our left hand needle from the back to the front, and then you see how it makes a V stitch there, and then you would purl through the front loop. The second option for a Make One Purl is a Make One Purl Left, and let me just knit a few stitches here and I'll show you how to make one purl left. So we'd grab it from the front to the back and put it on our left hand needle like that, and then we would be purling through the back loop. Let me do a couple more stitches and I'll show you that again. So we're going to be grabbing that running thread. The running thread is the yarn that goes from one stitch to the next, from the left hand needle to the right hand needle, from both of those stitches. That's called the running thread. And we are going to be grabbing it from the front to the back and putting it on our left hand needle, and it looks like that. And then you would twist behind here and purl this stitch through the back loop. So that one is a Make One Purl Increase. Now let me do a couple more stitches and I'll show you my last example of a Make One Purl, and this is a decorative stitch, and you grab the running thread from the front to the back and you place it on your needles, and then you would just purl it through the front loop, and this leaves a hole, and it's most often used in lace decorative stitches. So we have it, grab our running thread from the front to the back, place it on the left hand needle, and then purl through the front. And that is the last example how to make one purl the decorative stitch.